Okay, let's get started with day 19 of the 28-day challenge. I'm going to start off with the peat color in the tinted charcoal. I really liked how this came out yesterday. I kind of want to I'm going to do something a little different today. I think I want to start off with maybe more of almost like a cliff shape over here. And then I don't know how much I want to add, like marks down here. I try to keep it pretty simple today. Keep saying that. We'll see if it works. I also want to play around maybe with some of the, I've got this Distress Oxide walnut stain. I might want to try something with that maybe. So let's come in with a little bit of water. I just want to make some marks through here with this charcoal. I thought yesterday that I had some good marks and I just sort of covered them up. So we'll try to not do that today. And I've lost my big brush. Lost the big brush. I don't see. Oh, there it is. It's hiding. Okay. I'm going to come in with a little bit of the Payne's Gray. And I think I'm just going to spray it down a little bit. Some water. I think that tends to be best when, at least for me, it works best. If the paper is a little damp, it seems to work better for me. Let's get our knife out. Make some marks through here. And again, I'm not sure what this is going to be. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Your guess is as good as mine. The paper towel out here. And I know that's going to dry a little lighter, so I'm not going to put too much more color on it right now. Although, let's see, I'm going to put a little bit of that sanguine color in there because that's just a really pretty combination. It's already wet. We'll get a head start on that. And I think I'll add some of the sanguine down here as well. I like those marks they made through there. Although I think some of them, it's like I want to like them. But do I actually like them? I don't know. But we're going to put some bolder marks through here, I think, with some wet charcoal. Oh, I like that. That's really pretty. Okay. I do have a different black today. This is the Cherry Pit black from Schmincke from the charcoal collection. It is a lot more like sepia, as you can see, and it's got some really chunky bits in it, which is really interesting. It's, like I said, almost a sepia tone. Let's bring a couple of lines through here just because, well, you know, because Trina likes lines. Okay. Again, I do have my timer set on my phone. So I have no idea how much time I have. So we're going to work a little quickly today. Let me dry this and I'll be back with more. Okay, I've got this stencil here that was sent to me by the lovely Miss Sherry. I haven't used stencils, these stencils for a while. So I'm just going to put down some water and then we're going to come in with our charcoal. I I think I'm going to go with this natural color. It's sort of a gray. Not purple today, I don't think. Maybe not yet. Okay, let's lift that up. Oh, that's nice. It's a little more subtle. Let's get a piece of paper here and give it a high level spritz. I don't mind those pieces that came down there. I kind of like that neutral color, although I like the peat. But I don't really want to put the peat everywhere. You know what? Maybe it does need some of that. Maybe it needs some sand. What does that look like? Okay. Well, I like the sand. I think the sand looks nice. Kind of feels like sand. Imagine that. Okay, I like that line, but let's give another spritz. Guys, when I'm spritzing, I'm about 2 feet away when I'm spritzing this, just so you know. It comes out quick. And that really just depends on your spray bottle. I like those marks, but I think I want more directional marks through here. Ooh, look at this. This is fun. That's really cool. Like, why haven't we been using the palette knife for this? I discovered a new thing I love. Marks and marks. Of course, we all know I love marks, but I like how that's picking up that charcoal a bit. Let's come in with a little bit of that mountain blue and just make like a little bit. Oh, that's the natural. Wrong color. Like, that doesn't look right. I just want some of this like blue color through here. There, it's mixing with that sand color and making it almost green. Ooh, me likey that. So came in with the color shaper a little bit. And maybe just push this up a skosh so the line is a little bit less perfect. I don't like perfect lines. Ooh, I like that. That's really fun. Let's come in a little bit over here too. I like that green that it made through there. Just a little bit of green. Look at that. That's really cool. We probably need it, actually. I'm gonna put a little bit more over here. Oh, crap. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of this yellow through here. And then I added some blue in here. I missed a bit of my recording, guys, sorry. But I just added this blue in. I don't think I did anything else. I really like this yellow that I got with the green and the blue. Yeah, I don't think you guys missed that much, hopefully. Okay, I still want a little bit more blue through here. It's not quite where I want it. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna leave it. It's like I need that to be pretty distinct, I think. At least I want it to be. So I just barely got any water on my brush. And I'm just kind of making a line through there. I love a bold blue line. Okay. Okay, so here it is with the matte. I really like this one. I like the colors. I love this sort of mountain blue with this sand color that created that really pretty green over there unexpectedly. That was really cool. I like the sky and the lines. I like the first lines that I did that implies something. It's a little random, seems like, but it feels like there's something over there, but you don't quite know what. And I kind of like that little bit of mystery coming through here. I like all the bold marks through here. The stencil wasn't terribly successful, but it was worth a try. I do like the bits of just this sort of speckly sand color through down here with the white and the lines. I think makes it really simple and interesting. I love the sepia, or the, what color was that? The, oh God, this color, peat. The peat color is very nice. Really adds some bits to it that are really quite nice. Love this blue line through here. Overall, very happy. I think it has some good energy. We got lines and lines moving around. There's little spots of speckles, and you see the paper kind of come through in a bits. Lots of white space to kind of rest your eye. And it has a good feel to it, a good flow. Okay, that's it for today. I hope I'm not boring you. I know we're on day 18, and yesterday was a bit of a struggle for me. Like, I really didn't want to make anything. And you could probably tell because the piece was not good. But today is better. Today is much better, and I feel in much better headspace today than I did yesterday, and really felt like I wanted to create something that was nice. So I will see you in the next one tomorrow for day 19. Gosh, we're almost done. Until then, have a groovy day, and I'll see you next one. Bye.